Ebusianfo aha Kintu TV. Miss Winnie Dimsene and no face or whatever Kintu TV so. Mrs. Obes Kawa na washout or other platform no ma comment or comment section as say. And more if you so be notification bell so my simply at Webro Kintu TV no. Why first person na when you semi be no who ne akoso e wo magana any wiase afenina. Member semester and that you know for come na menu million new copy mo a year black rasta akache. Si ekopiem wo ye black rasta akachili a ene nsam de bebre ena ekoso ewo ho mo ene sen ye ne nim se abra na nsam bebre ekoso ni ade no na do status or the tax etoto nyama so no or the tax eto bet so no the tax to so ni nim Ghana propaganda ni ade chese ekoso ewo man mo no the tax to so no ene ye black rasta ebe kasa. Na black rasta nsem odi atudwa no ebusianfo inem se black rasta yenim so ye MPP ni so ye nisi ni obi a enim but say MPP for eye bibi na senya otumi ebe discipline omo ekeka na adwen ekiro omo ye ankasam saaso na NDC for so eye mistake no omo yo bibi na sanko ya enu so ba ebe discipline omo ekiro omo sanyo omo ye no emfaso bi eni so omo hwa nyo no mfa nyo manto na kwemo into black rasta de ono de kanadwen echiro biam na ye nyina nim say na sen eyi na ye former president Mahama ekohia eye youth na okohia youth no ene komodidi ono omudi ni ade no ene hyeso obeka so eye tax ni ade na ado ede atoto nyoma bebre so no ono former president Mahama oba obeyi ni na afi so into monto abano emano na even kwa special eye bet ene de obaye na tin time obejie fi so krache so manya kwaye tumi atwa bet no maye no aseso moye na enu ene ye black rasta bekase former president Mahama oye peni at times wo kasa ye hu nya wo pa achire because sisi anu ankasa wonsam nyina asam hu nya wo ka che youth na youth na tumi ato aba ede ama na ye tasia wo se oba wo be ye fi bet si wonim se bet nya adepa nti eba ne sen na wo hye eye youth new crime abreso wankasa wo se oba wo be create eye job ama youth no nti job na wo be create no eno ne bet hu job creating job no in the black rasta de artist bia ma former president Mahama pa se enye asamketo in some de bebre ene ye black rasta e ka kire ye former president Mahama kan some bebre ne de bia de ka se some na ye na se mo de se ya e ya me mpese me we so some anasa me se won eno asa me so ni dim no aka me ho na me no me nuane akwaje nsem no ntremu ni wi a asanso aba abedum enkomo Nyanjo brani eti ye black rasta sama okeka kire e former president Mahama ni wi a asanso aba abedum enkomo aye Kintu TV me don't say
and sadly so. And I must say that I'm quite disappointed. Very much disappointed. John Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency, with all respect, you went to meet up with the youth. Before you went in there, you were briefed about the problems of the youth. Some of them you know already via experience and being in the country. The best thing you could tell the youth is that you would scrap the betting tax. I am so disappointed. One of the best things the NPP government did was to put hefty taxes on betting. Why? You want to raise a nation of bettors and gamblers? Is that what you want? The youth form the basis of every society. Even in the Bible, God says straight away that God calls upon the youth because what? The youth are strong. In every society that begins to fail, it starts from the youth. My brother, my sister, everywhere you go in Ghana, there is a betting center. We have more betting centers in Ghana than we have pipe-borne water pipes. I said we have more betting centers in Ghana than standpipes. We have more betting centers in Ghana than we have schools. We have more betting centers in Ghana than we even have human beings. If Ghana has a population of over 30 million people, trust me, there are about 60 million betting centers in Ghana. And all these, 99.9% are controlled by Chinese. I went to my village the other time. I don't know the last time I saw water coming from the standpipe in my village. There were 3 betting centers in my village. I was shocked. Controlled by Chinese. So, Mr. President, I am looking forward to you coming up. It's not too late to withdraw some of these things. Please, don't speak like this because you want to win votes. Think about the youth. If you decide to take away the taxes from the bet, what does it mean? You are encouraging the youth to go into betting. I think this is cheap propaganda. Mr. President, you are bigger than this. Even if you don't campaign anymore, many people think and believe that you win the elections. But utterances like this, Mr. President, will jeopardize your chances of becoming president again. I am utterly disappointed. Put religion aside. Put spirituality aside. Let's bring in morality. What kind of nation is this that is encouraging betting? My brother, forget about your religion. Forget about your spirituality. Let's bring in morality. Mr. President would have done better by telling the youth, you know what? We are going to open centers that will seek to close all the betting centers where you can get some kind of skill that will make you see betting as unattractive. Why? I don't want my children to bet. Do you want your children to bet? In my days, people look down on people who stake lotto. If you saw somebody walking around and say, oh, this is a lotto staker. It was hopeless people who went for lotto, true or false. What is the difference between this betting and lotto? Any nation that decides to hang on the vicissitudes of uncertainty. Hey, Black Rasta, say it again. Say it again. Not many people understand this. Say it again. Teach, Black Rasta. I said, any nation that decides to hang on the vicissitudes of uncertainty. Hallelujah. In short, and simply put, any nation that...
Way HSA, JDM is just confused. He's just a visionless president Ghana has ever had. Okay. And I went so ama poku or I say visionless or visionless. The in tennis, Black was like a canary review, Ghana Fubin so a man replied.
Maka mo say Kumawood actors na bibia ne ho aye different a omode bebre NDC party no because hwese obi abehwe obi ba free health SHS ama sabi oni bie ni na no wote fase bon ne batima benya privilege akoprempe ene true a scholarship wonya or UK your doctor na wo begina public camera da also say ye to abama wo ma wo ba aban mu no ye fidi obre ye cars e ma ye twi one selfish interest wo nipa ba ko no because of say wo no ye wo benya nti empempem edaachi eni suade hunu enka fom there be enti omu provoke akan no more me talking about Ashanti, Bono, Infante, Easton. Me pacho matemase. Sa nipa na woti dwomu no. Wasam na wo kan no, o meto aba emma nipa no. Na wabeto card watum. na ne ba no free SHS no saa opportunity na ɔmo nya no wɔbɛtwam dabi enti actress na mo de mo werɛ ahyɛ ɔmo mu no me say mu provoke akanfoɔ no more ha aba we ahwɛ a sɛ MPP mu ɔmo ani ada hɔ na ɔmo tumi like abɔ ɔmo vote